To schedule a payment using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by opening the app on your device and logging in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account you want to make a payment from by selecting it from the list of available accounts. Next, select the Pay Bills option and choose the payee you want to make a payment to. If the payee is not already set up, you can add them by selecting the Add Payee option and entering their information. After selecting the payee, enter the payment amount and select the payment date. You can choose to make a one-time payment or set up a recurring payment by selecting the frequency of the payment, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Review the payment details to ensure everything is accurate, including the payment amount, payee, and payment date. If everything is correct, select the Schedule Payment option to complete the payment. You will receive a confirmation that the payment has been scheduled, and you can view the payment details in the Payment History section of the app. It is a good idea to set up payment reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. To set up payment reminders, go to the Settings section of the app and select the Notifications option. From here, you can choose to receive reminders for upcoming payments, as well as notifications when a payment has been made. By following these steps, you can easily schedule payments using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, helping you stay on top of your finances and avoid late payments. Remember to always review your payment details carefully before scheduling a payment to ensure everything is accurate.